today we're in altitude. I am going to upgrade the firmware on my Mavic Pro. I hope. As always, dealing with stuff like this, it's hard to say if it's going to upload or not. So we're going to do that today. Mavic. Trash can. Let's see. I'm always trying to find a place to upgrade it. Alright. Just gonna sit right here. Okay, sit right there on that. Now I'm gonna get this out again. My phone. Which I'm gonna pull my phone out of its case again. That's the only hard part about this one here, because of the fact that you've got to use your phone. Let's pull it out. Plug her in. Make sure all your batteries, your drone is at least 50%. Make sure your controller is at least 50%, and definitely your phone, because if you lose any contact, you're going to have to start all over again, from what I understand. So let's fire everything up. Okay, let's connect the drone. Okay, coming up. Connecting. Okay, we're connected. Let's see. Any mode, ready to go. Okay, Mavic Pro. How'd you do that? Connect version, please wait. Firmware available. Okay, let's do this. Start to update. See, version 01.04.0300. Alright, tips. Uploading package requires more cellular data. Connecting to the network to upload is recommended. I'll have to see. Okay. Not exactly sure what I did, but It's uploading. It's uploading at the moment. Let's see. Yes. That's right. Okay, it is currently, for an instant, it's currently downloading the firmware onto each other aircraft, and remote battery controllers are above 50%. Aircraft are connected to remote controller and gimbal cover and gimbal clamp are removed before updating. Uptake takes approximately 30 minutes and do not power off. So we will wait for it to download. It's downloading right now onto the phone, and then it will tell me to update and kick it in and send it out. And like it says, it takes approximately 30 minutes. Now my controller has to be updated. The Mavic Pro has to be updated, and that also includes the camera gimbal system. So here we go. Almost there. Okay. It has completed. It is. That's what it's doing. Okay, looks like it says you don't have to do anything. You downloaded it, and now it's in progress. Okay, well, I guess we will wait 30 minutes and see how we do. It is actually 9:24 p.m. on the 12th. So this is what it looks like if you are actually uploading it to the aircraft and the GPS of the controller and the gimbal. And of course the Mavic is saying that it is on its way. Okay, so right now Gear 360 currently recording, which is that one there, told me that because it's also now mated with the review, and it's saying firmware at 44%, progress 16%. Okay, we are at 50%, 51%, and even the controller now says upgrading. It didn't earlier. So let's see. Let's see anything other than anything up other than upgrading. So it must be the controller and everything is upgrading like it should. I know when I was doing the Phantom, I had to do it like twice, and I finally got it the second time, but it was like pulling teeth with the Phantom. I'm not sure exactly what transpired, but while ago I had nothing up here but upgrading, and it showed that it showed a path going out to the drone on here, and it just kept going out, going out, going out. I didn't have any of these numbers or anything on here, and now all of a sudden everything's come back up. It says it's upgrading, but now that digital transmitting out to the drone is no longer going. And then you heard the controller vibrate momentarily. So we are at 54%. So maybe that means that the controller has finished upgrading. Okay, it just jumped again. Oh, just lost that. It was showing another set of lines going out to the aircraft, and as it does whatever it does, it starts to it vibrates and lets you know, I guess, that it's doing what it's doing. I'm at 80% now. Okay, I don't know exactly what's going on, but as you can see now, I've just got an upgrade, and I am at, oh, we're ready. It says ready to go. Upgrade firmware. Okay, upgrade firmware. Upgrade log. You are compatible. Update or lacking log, but it says complete. And I'm showing ready to go here. So I guess we're, like it says, it's starting all over again. Let's see. Okay. Appears to have been done. Let's see. Okay. I don't know. It doesn't. It's not telling me anything else. It just tells me it's ready to go. And it says go fly. So I take it upgraded okay. I did notice that she's all ready to take off. Ready to take off. And I'm right in the house. So GPS is up, 85% battery, of course. Everything's got to be. Everything's got to be in the. I think she's got to be in the air. See there, it says equipment editor, typical me. Definitely connected. Let's go fly. Just put that in that. Alright. Fixed wing mode, all new flight mode. Fly with cruise control and coordinate turning. Huh. Okay. So it's negative. That was giving me a good view of myself in the seat here. Foot away. Ready to go, GPS. And I'm in the house. So is that telling me? Okay, the camera. Okay. I got camera on. I want video on. I'm in good shape there. Go to that. Quick shot. Gestures. Tap fly. Tripod. Not use function.